one. So don't forget to share, comment, and also to like to click the notification button, everyone. And please do support my uh, vlog. So today I'm not feeling well. I have a sore throat. I have just like 40 plus degrees Celsius of fever right now. So I have the headache over here, the two joints, just like that. And also I have a cold also. And then like I still like 40 plus fever right now, but I still like feel all my body is like all so hot. Like I want to have a bath with a cold water. And also like after that was like, oh, I feel so cold again, and I don't know what I'm feeling right now because of my headache and my throat. And also this one, the Pocari. I always drink this one when I'm not feeling well. And so I have my medicine over there. And then please pray me to be get well soon. And then tomorrow is my nephew's birthday and I can attend because due to my not feeling well right now because I have a throat cold, and also a headache and back pain. Also, everyone know that my back pain is just like when I go to the doctor for follow-up checkup for my lungs, it's already clear, but my spinal cord, I have a scoliosis. So I already ordered the brace and it will arrive next week. Then hopefully I'm gonna be okay right maybe tomorrow or Monday because like I don't know what to do right now because of the it's so hot all over my body and also the headache, and then like also my throat, like I don't want to eat. I always just like drink my water and like still like I don't know what to do right now. And please pray me to be okay because it's so hard for me that I have like I'm not okay. I'm not feeling well because of my body didn't receive just like a mild medicine. It's only the strong one, and it's so hard for me, everyone. And hopefully, please pray me, please help me uh, to support my channel, also for my health right now. See you, and I love you all. I will